Welcome to the Reliance Spinning Mills Limited, which is located at Khanar in Sunsari district. Organization was established in 2051 Bikram Sambat. It is the biggest organization of textile of our country, where highest number of people are working. Presently, about 4,000 people are employed here. In this plant, high-quality yarn of different variety of polyester, viscose, acrylic and their blends in grey and dyed are produced. We are leading producer in the domestic as well as in export market from last 2 decades. The daily production capacity of this organization is 92 tons. We are supplying yarn to domestic market and continuously encouraging the domestic textile business. We are exporting our yarn to the countries like India, Turkey, UK and Yemen. Blow room. In blow room, opening, mixing and blending of fiber is carried out. The opened and cleaned fiber is transported to carding through a network of pipeline. Carding. Here in card, fiber are again opened, cleaned, parallelized and straightened down to the individual fiber and collected in a can as a long strand of fiber called sliver. Cans are delivered automatically and these delivered cans are transported manually to the next machine called draw frame. In draw frame, doubling, straightening and attenuation of 8 slivers are carried out and single sliver collected in a can. These cans are transported to the next machine called finisher draw frame. Finisher draw frame. Here again, doubling, straightening, attenuation and parallelization is carried out to get more uniform single sliver and thus improve the yarn quality. From here, well-finished material is transported to subsequent machine called speed frame. Here, finished sliver is converted into roving by drafting and twisting. Then the roving is sent to subsequent machine named as ring frame. Ring frame. In ring frame, roving is converted into yarn of required thickness and twist. The delivered yarn is collected on small size bobbin in each machine. All these bobbins are doffed and transported automatically to next machine called link corner. In link corner, small sized bobbins are unwound and converted into a big size package of yarn. Here, yarn falls are cleared electronically and fault-free yarn is produced. These big size package is sent for further checking and packing as single yarn. Cheese winding. Parallel yarn, 2-fold, 3-fold and 4-fold yarn are prepared on this machine as per requirement. TFO. In TFO, required twisting imparted in multifold cheese on this machine and converted into cone to be sent to market after checking and packing. Volufill. In this machine, unbulk single yarn and multifold twisted yarn converted into high bulk yarn. The yarn from post-spinning process and dye house is checked properly and sent to the market after packaging.